We are at the Blaine Baseball Complex today, and behind me is our brand new inclusive playground here, and we're very excited to have this finish up. And this also was a project that happened at the same time as our Challenger field, which is right next to the playground. We took out the old playground because it was 19 years old, and after inspection, it was deemed that it needed to be replaced. There's a lot of parts that we couldn't get replaced, and we also thought it would be a good idea that we added and made it an inclusive playground for all ability levels to use here in Blaine. We have some adaptive swings. We have actually our first ever adaptive zip track, which is very exciting. And then a lot of the elements are very much accessible from ground level, so basically at grade level. Kids in wheelchairs, kids that maybe just have some limitations can actually get into all the equipment and use all the equipment just as any child could do. We are just very excited to have our first inclusive playground here for the city of Blaine. Some of our other parks here in Blaine, our playgrounds do have some ramps and some adaptive equipment, some swings, but we needed to have a park where it was completely accessible for all ability levels, and this meets and checks all those boxes. So we're very excited when any residents call that, hey, go check out the Blaine Baseball Complex playground. It is completely inclusive where all the different equipment can be used for all ability levels. So we're excited to roll this out for our Blaine community.